FPX is a new idea. It's about us modernising, perhaps even revolutionising how we do force protection.
The threat is ever-changing, we know that, and it is accelerating in some parts. That's why this event is really important to us. We all know that experimentation is part of the Air Force bloodstream, so this opportunity to get after some force protection experimentation is really key.
I think what it'll help us do is to identify a range of opportunities, but not just around equipment solutions, around tactics, techniques, procedures, doctrine, how we do training, how we think about the problems we face, how we train together.
One of our aims is that this should not be simply about new equipment for the Royal Air Force. This is about bringing together ideas, fostering a spirit of innovation and aiding our people to make their vision of the future come to life and come to reality.
We already do an enormous amount of work interacting with our allies, but I think what this will do is allow us to deepen that relationship further, to experiment more together, and crucially when it comes to operating together, as we so often do, that we'll be able to do that in an even more seamless way. I think FPX is a great opportunity for us. I just feel that it's going to give us so many possibilities to look at.
We have a real opportunity from FPX to accelerate into the next generation Air Force and the next generation environment that we will be operating in.